All right, Luigi. We have one more card, and let's see if you can do this. No, Luigi, that's a blue 5. What color, Luigi? Red. Oh! I win again. You suck. Go get the next. I'm on it. No! No! Put this here. Dang it, there's a pillow over there. If there's one here, I probably would have landed on the pillow. Go get the stupid. Huh? What? How? You got back? Yeah, I did. Why did you move that there? I don't know. I didn't move it. Mario did. You get mad at him. Wait, what was I doing? What's going on? Junior! You're back! How'd you get back? It's a long story. I don't really want to say it. Oh, no, really, I want to hear it. It's kind of boring, too. Okay, we're gonna play hide and seek. I fell off of that chair. Oh, you were at the chair the whole time? Yeah, I was over there. And I fell off. You know that purple ball? Yeah. I fell in, and it pulled me in, and then a bunch of unimportant stuff happened. It's not important. I just got teleported back somehow. I don't remember how. And now I'm here. Okay. So, I guess we just figure out something. Meow. What's that? No, don't approach it. What the? It's a cat. Meow. It is a cat. It's cute. Oh. This cat needs to go. This cat needs to go. Oh, he's cute. Ow! I'm allergic to cats. You have to get that thing out of here. Go! Okay, I need to go. I need to get out of here because I cannot stand the cat. I cannot handle the cat. I can... Ha! Ow. 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 Okay, I'm gonna stay back here. Okay, I'm gonna beat that cat. Wait, do you think that's too much? That cat think it's just gonna come in here, scratch us. Well, we're gonna show it to the boss. Yeah, we're gonna show it. What? There's no stopping him. Oh, I see you're taking a nap. Well, how about I just... yeah. Meow. What? Meow. Help! Need help. Mario, what happened? Help me down. Get out of here. I got you. How do I get off of here? Oh, my hat. Get off. You're gonna have to use some Here you go. There you go. Get me out of here. Alright, I'm trying. I got swung around so many times. Dizzy? No, I got smacked in between the bookshelves. I mean, I'm dizzy a little bit. That's okay. No, I can't stop now. I need my hat. Alright, I got my hat back on. Alright, so what's another way we can take that cat out? I feel like maybe he's tired out a little bit. How about... Oh! No. Maybe we could... No. I'm just gonna look over here for it and see if I find something. Aha! Some scissors! This actually makes a lot of sense. I can pick them up. Scissors! What are you planning on to do with scissors? I can cut the Pratt's Oh, it's okay. Here, I got you. You can cut the cat's tail off with the scissors. Yeah, it started horribly. That's what I was going to say. Well, how do you expect to do that? By sneaking. I mean, you are really good at that, so... I am good at it. But before I do it, we need one thing. And perfect. Oh no, we're not doing this again. We're not doing this. Take that off. Oh, come on, it's not even the same one. See, it's a different size. It doesn't even fit as well. Yeah, I threw the other one away. I know. We're not doing this again. Come on, it helps me sneak. Look, you're gonna be fine. Okay. Hide in the shadows. The cat wasn't even looking. Got you right where I want you. Yes. Yes. How'd that go, buddy? Not well. Hey, that kitty's eating your thing. Huh? Oh. I got an idea. We could use Luigi for bait, then you pull the cat's tail. That's a good idea. But I don't feel like getting Luigi. Don't worry, I got it covered. Wow! Haven't I suffered enough? No! Wow! Yes! Okay, Luigi, you can come back now. Got any more bright ideas? No, I'm all out. What about you, Luigi? Maybe you could do it cartoon style and just trap it in a box. Oh, yes, you're a genius, Luigi. Hold on, I got the perfect thing. There we go. What is that? Open it. You just gotta open it. Alright. Just peel the pull tab, I guess. What is that? There's sardines. and launch them, but the cat's so dumb. That cat is not dumb. No, he just has cat-like reflexes. He is a cat. Oh, shut up. Well, whatever. Okay, so I think. Where is that box? Hold on, I think I'll look for it. I don't know where it is. Let's go to the prop closet. What? Prop closet? This is the prop closet. Whoa! What's going on in here? Oh, the thing from the powerful ball, the tubes Luigi came out of. The chest and the light bulb. Oh god, I hate that memory. Oh, the lock from that one time. The ball. The truck I used to get away. What's that castle for? That doesn't matter. All we're needing is the box. Just gotta. Oh, come on. Don't let it touch me. Don't worry, it's fine. It's just in the prop mode. Oh. Why did you make me carry you in this box? I didn't make you. You just said yes immediately. Why did you even say yes immediately if you didn't want to? I was trying to be nice or something. Okay, we got the bait, we got the box. Now, what we're going to use is stick and string. I think you're looking at it. I'm looking at it. We can use this. Wait, what about the string? I got it. Wait, that thing's too long. I know. Give it. There we go. Switch port. You know what? Fine. It'll work. I don't have string in this house anyways. Yay! Oh, I got the stuff. And done. There we go. Now let's. Just tell me when, Junior. Alright. So, I really hope this works this time. Yeah, because we really need to get this over. Because Luigi's getting sick. I'm getting sick of the cat. Oh my god, the cat! Oh, where? Oh, you missed! Oh. Because you weren't looking. I was tired. If it was your idea, or wait, whose idea was it? It was Luigi's, remember? Oh, stupid. We could have caught the cat. A lot of ideas. Wait, Junior? Junior, I got one more idea. What the heck? No. You gotta put them on. No, I'm not putting those on. Look, it's like a power-up, okay? No, I'm not putting these on. It'll help you talk cat. No, it won't. Just do it. It's our last chance. Fine. Whose are these, actually? Look, I swear, I just went in the other room, and they were just there. They were just there in the other room. I just went in the other room. They were just there on the floor. Well, it's not mine, Luigi. No, they're not mine. They're definitely not mine. They can't be. I wouldn't buy furry ears. No. They're not mine. They're totally not mine. They can't be. They're Luigi's. Yep, they're Luigi's. Alright, fine, I guess I'll put these stupid things on. Alright. How do I look? How do I look? Yep, you definitely do. I feel dirty. Let me take a bath real quick. Alright, I feel good. I go I'm leaving. I'm done for the video. Okay. I can do this. Meow. 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 Take these ears. There, the ears are gone now. They're not gone forever. Hello? He said he was gone for the video. Oh. Well, the cat said, the cat, I'm doing it too! Don't worry, I know. Did the cat say it was gonna be gone? If I did something with the cat. But did what? The innocent people won't get it. Oh. Good thing I felt dirty earlier. Meow meow. What? Hey! My ears! I knew it! I knew there were ears! Yeah, I swear I thought I bought some. Oh, that was a dream. I'm gonna go back to bed. I'm not talking for the rest of the video. When the video's over, you idiot. Goodbye, everyone. Please like and subscribe. I think that's the first time I've ever said that. I'm closing this thing out.